In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off notifications on Audiomack. So if you are getting a lot of notifications from your Audiomack, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn that off. It's simple and easy. So straight away, you can tap on the notification button here to start doing your edits them. But then let's come here and then let's do it very much well. So beside it, you can see the settings, which is your top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings there. Now let's scroll. So now let's go. You can see notifications under the delete account. Let's tap on that here. So here we can choose to edit them. You can see I've turned this off. So now glance through, this is simple English and then turn stuff off. So if you don't want to get notifications when people reply to your comments under songs, you can turn it off. So that's it. If you don't want this, you can turn it off. A lot of them, you just read it simple English and then you turn them off. And you're not going to get any notifications from stuff like that on your Audiomack. So it's simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer, and I have a lot of tutorials on Audiomack. You can check that out. So that's it for the video. Peace.